Legal dictation at the speed of 100 WPM. Be ready. 3 seconds left. Start. The challenge in this appeal is to an order dated March 19, 2018 passed by the learned single judge in IA number 1508 of 2017, which was an application filed by the appellant herein under Order 6, Rule 17 of the CPC for amendment of the writ statement. It was the ground of the appellant that the plaintiff had missed out the partition of 3 other properties with 152 Bhagat Singh Market, Connaught Place, New Delhi, plot at Saraswati Kunj, Gurgaon, and F71 Bhagat Singh Market, Connaught Place, New Delhi, and for sale proceeds of rupees 15 lakhs in the sale of land 2.5 acres at Sona Road. It was conceded by the appellant defendant that a reference of these properties was made in the written statement filed in October 2014 and in the amended written statement filed in March 2015, but because of maintaining harmony, he did not take any action for partition of these properties. The learned single judge noted that the property number 152 Bhagat Singh Market, Connaught Place, New Delhi is registered in the name of the respondent number 1 plaintiff and property number F71 Bhagat Singh Market, Connaught Place, New Delhi is registered in the name of the mother of the parties who is still alive. It is also noted by the learned single judge that it is the stand of the respondent number 1 plaintiff that there is no such plot at Saraswati Kunj, Gurgaon ever purchased by the family. Qua the sale proceeds of rupees 15 lakhs in the sale of land 2.5 acres at Sona Road, it is submitted that this plot was in the name of the plaintiff respondent number 1 and he sold it way back prior to the filing of the suit. The learned single judge, noting that the appellant defendant knew the properties existing in the name of others even prior to the filing of the written statements and rather has referred to the properties in the written statement filed in 2014 and so also in the amended written statement in 2015, but did not take any action for declaration or for cancellation of suit ownership documents. No case is made out for amendment because of the delay. Moreover, the trial has started. Ms. Shobha Ramamurthy, learned counsel, appearing for the appellant defendant, would submit in spite of due diligence the appellant could not mention the prayer regarding the properties for partition. She, by drawing out attention to page 87 of the paper book, which is an application seeking amendment of the written statement, states that she intends to seek amendment in the written statement of the said application. According to her, by the proposed amendment, the appellant defendant intends to add the following in the written statement. In para 6 of the written statement, the following portion is found. The plaintiff also got a plot at Gurgaon from the fund of the family. That thus there are pool of properties in the HUF, whereas the relief is pertaining to one property which is not permissible. The same may be amended as the plaintiff also got a plot at Gurgaon from the fund of the family. Another property being the first floor of S214 GK1 New Delhi was purchased and later sold. That thus there are pools of properties in the HUF, whereas the relief is pertaining to one property which is not permissible.